Hi, my lovely Libras. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Libras, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the last year of 2021. Yep, we have reached the last month, and just how the year has just flown by. So guys, Libras, as you know that this is a collective reading and not everything will resonate with everyone, so just pick what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, you would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Libras, while pre-shuffling for you guys, first and foremost, I'm getting someone is working very hard. Okay, very hard. In fact, someone is overworking. I was also feeling a little discomfort in my left shoulder blade. Okay, I feel that someone is really working round the clock, starting early, winding up late. Okay, someone is very much focused, working on building his or her pentacles money. Someone is trying to save a lot for something. Okay, maybe you have some financial goals for yourself and you are saving a lot for that, working a lot over or towards it. Guys, the overall energy has also shown up as 8 of Pentacles. Look at this guy. Okay, just look at him, how focused he is, and he's very meticulous. He's doing his job very meticulous and in a very concentrated and a very focused manner. Okay, all he can do or all he can see is just work. He's just busy building up his pentacles. Okay, so guys, this is precisely what I was connecting to energetically as well. Okay, which is fine. Okay, working hard is fine, but make sure that you are not compromising your health for that. Okay, I was yawning incessantly. It was very difficult to control my yawns. So if you guys are kind of sleeping late or not sleeping enough, it's a it's a little alarming. So make sure that you do not end up compromising your health. Okay, so yes, what else? Yeah, another card that kept on coming up was from the Moonology deck was nothing is set in stone yet. Okay, so if you are apprehensive about something, some situation, how that situation will end, if you are being a little what do I say, pessimistic about the end result, don't be. Nothing is finalized yet. Okay, you still have time to do the needful, take the right actions. Take time to take action was another card that had come up. So make sure that you're doing the needful and you still have time to change the result the way you want. Okay, so yeah, with that, Libras, let's get into your reading straight away and let's see what messages we have for you guys. Okay, yep. King of Cups had shown up the moment I had started shuffling. Oh my goodness, it is Sagittarian energy. Oh my goodness, I can see two major arcanas, Knight of Cups, Justice in reverse. Why? Just why? Page of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, Death card, 6 of Wands also had shown up while shuffling. Wheel of Fortune. Whoa. There's King of Pentacles also. Of course, King of Pentacles has to be there because you guys are working so much towards your Pentacles and your career aspect. Okay, so guys, the energy at the center is that of King of Cups. Now King of Cups is one of the most emotional kings of the king's suit or king's family. Someone is quite emotional here for someone. Someone is kind of full of feelings and love and affection towards someone over here. Okay, see the water is symbolic of emotions. Okay, and the cup, someone wants to offer his or her love to someone. Let's quickly clarify this King of Cups as well. Oh man, yes, King of Cups is clarified by Page of Cups. There is this Knight of Cups also. So someone definitely is in love here. This is a very specific message. Someone definitely is in love here. Someone is holding a lot of emotions towards someone. Okay, someone is wanting to express his or her feelings towards someone. You could get a message from someone, or you might message to someone expressing your feelings. Maybe there could be an apology that is expressed or exchanged over here. someone might come and apologize to you, or you might go and apologize to someone. The take how it resonates, guys. I do not know on which side of the sped you are, but yes, there is definitely definitely an emotional exchange or emotional communication that's going to happen between two people over here. Okay, one of the energies is very mature, one of the energies is very immature. Two extremes is what I'm seeing, king and page. Okay, but definitely there is going to be an unexpected communication, unexpected message that is going to be exchanged over here. An apology, expression of love is what is going to be exchanged over here, or is being exchanged, is what I see over here in your current energy. The energy in your recent past is that of Aries, that of star. This is an Aquarian card, sorry about that. Now Aquarian card star is all about healing. Okay, now this healing need not always be physical healing. It is emotional healing also. It's like waking up to spiritual aspect of your being. Okay, some of you might be healing physically also. Maybe you were not well, not keeping well, and you just took some time out to heal yourself, to get well. Okay, I feel that some of you guys precisely are working towards striking balance. The reason why I am telling you is because the recent past and the immediate future both are holding same energy, and that is talking about balance. And there is justice card also, which again is about balance. Justice is your own energy, Libras. Okay, I feel that some of you guys need to work on balancing things out. Okay, balance in terms of work-life balance. Definitely that balance is needed over here, because I see you guys are working way too much, and I don't think you're giving time to yourself, your own health, or your people, your family, or your loved ones, your friends. Okay, you're just working. So for sure work-life balance is needed for some of you guys. But overall also, okay, you need to balance in spirituality and practical aspects of life, emotional and practical aspects of life. So some sort of balance is required over here. Okay, this is Aquarius and this is Sagittarian energy. You guys are also called to have some patience. Okay, do not be impatient, have some patience, because see, this balance is all about give and take. Okay, you need to give and take equally. You need to be patient, you cannot rush into things. Okay, you could have Aquarius or Sagittarian in your charts, or you could be dealing with a fellow Aquarius or Sagittarian in the chart. Not necessary, but high possibility. The gods are the god or the angels or whoever you believe in. Okay, strong universe, they are asking you to keep patience. They are asking you to strike balance. I see things, I see that there is imbalance in certain situation over here. Okay, and some situation needs to be balanced for sure, is what I'm getting over here. And what the message is from universe or God to you at this moment of time. Okay, the energy in obstacles is that of Knight of Cups. Yes, you guys, yeah, there was another card that had come out, was communication is key, which I feel is very instrumental for you guys. You guys really need to communicate whatever you feel. You need to express your emotions. Unless and until you express your emotions, the other person is not going to know. Okay, so if you are holding yourself back in that area, do not do that. Okay, just move forward. Okay, I also feel that someone in the mix is being very immature. Okay, some energy is very immature, and that's where the imbalance is coming from. Okay, Page of Cups and Knight of Cups both have shown up. Someone is being immature, but someone is really having a lot of emotions with you. Okay, or it could be you who is really having or holding a lot of affection towards someone. Okay, all you need to do is communicate it to that person, and I think, guys, you are going to do that. But since this Knight has come into your obstacles position, I feel that you or the other person is holding communication. If that's the case, please Do not do that. Go and talk it out, express your thoughts, express your feelings. Only then will you be able to take it forward, or how do I say, mm, only then will you be able to strike balance. Probably that could be that could be the factor that is causing this imbalance, because the justice has come up in reverse for some of you guys. Okay, in upright it talks about balance, it talks about fair things, fair deal. Okay, but in reverse it is talking about imbalance clearly. And the fact that the temperance has come up in your immediate future, the ask clearly is to strike balance in whichever way you know better what is causing this imbalance. Okay, so just do that. If it is communication that is causing this imbalance, make sure your communication well, communicating well, and communicating in the right manner. Okay, justice in reverse also tells me about some work being stuck, some legal work being stuck. Maybe some paperwork for you guys is stuck. Okay, legal, it could be a court case, it could be a property related work, it could be visa work that is stuck for you guys. It could also be, you're waiting for some offer letter, some legal document which is taking time. Okay, which is taking time, and that's the reason why you're also asked to keep some patience. Okay, things are going to fall in place. All you have to do is wait and have some patience. Yes, wheel of fortune, things are definitely going to change. Your life is going to change for good, guys. All you have to do is be patient. I know right now you're feeling stuck, you're feeling that you're going in a you're moving in circles or in a rabbit hole for that matter, but know for sure that things are going to get set in motion, and the wheel is going to set rolling for sure. The reason why I'm telling is there is Six of Wands. Okay, Six of Wands is a card of victory. Okay, so no matter what, no matter how many hurdles you feel right now, with little perseverance, with little patience, things are going to open up, the doors are going to open up, and you're going to come out as a winner. Okay, there is a death card, Scorpion energy, death of something, end of something. Okay, interestingly, the death card and the wheel of fortune, only when the old energies die out, only when the only when some things ends can new beginnings come into your life, or new energies can come into your life. Okay, so don't worry about this death card, guys. It's a part and parcel of life. Some things do end at some point of time, only for you to enter a new fresh phase of your life. Okay, phase of the wheel of your life. That's what I'm getting over here. Yeah, I also feel that, guys, for some of you guys, someone might have transited also, is what I'm getting. Okay, there could be a death in terms of physical form as well for some of you guys, and that was a life changer for some of you guys, life changing event for some of you guys. But yeah, for many of you others, this death is for your highest good. Okay, only to take you to the next level in your life. Okay, Five of Swords, some of you guys are feeling a little beaten up, little what do I say, beaten up in the sense, someone kind of broke your trust over here. Let's clarify this Five of Swords. Okay, guys, Five of Swords is clarified by Ace of Pentacles. Maybe at workplace there was some sort of betrayal, some sort of unhealthy competition, some sort of backstabbing that has happened, which kind of made you a little that actually put you in this Four of Cups energy. It actually made you sad sad about it. Okay, it was something which you had not expected from that person. Okay, but nonetheless, like I said, you are going to be the winner of that situation, whatever it is. Okay, guys, Page of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles, for some of you guys there is going to be communication related to work. You guys might get promoted, you guys might get a brand new career opportunity, brand new job all together. Okay, something which is going to bring in lot of money for you guys. Okay, and I feel that this is going to come at a time wherein you are not expecting it. Okay, this promotion probably could be or this hike or whatever it is, this ace of pentacle which is coming your way, it is going to come to you when you're not at all expecting it. Okay, page of cups and page of pentacles, I feel that for sure there is going to be some sort of communication that is going to come through, an unexpected message, an unexpected email. Okay, some sort of communication that is going to take you by surprise. Okay, yeah, do let me know if any such thing happens, guys, but for sure you guys are going to get some news. Adjustments are required, of course, of course. This temperance and this justice in reverse and this star card somehow are kind of taking me to the same energy. If you see the pictures, guys, the temperance is trying to hold these two cups, trying to balance the water between the two cups. She's standing on the ground, but there is water as well over here. Even for this star energy, there is water flowing between both the cups in the unified manner. Again, there is water, there is earth over here. Justice, like the word itself says it's about fairy deal, but it has come in reverse. So definitely, guys, make sure that you're not stretching things. Okay, make sure you're striking balance. Make the right kind of adjustments if required. Okay, if it's going to solve the situation, if it's going to bring peaceful resolution, okay, if it is going to save the bond or relationships from getting sour, make those right adjustments. Okay, yep, what a powerful message. So guys, let's quickly move on to the last part of the reading and my personal favorite. Okay, so let's see, I will take this for you guys. Quite some I've taken. This is what? This is a bone. Okay, so if you guys have a pet or anything, okay, pets are very good emotional or rather they are very good stress busters. So make sure that you take some time out with your pets, enjoy some light moments. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Believe in love. Yeah, of course, guys, love is coming in your way is what I'm getting intuitively. So believe in love and be in love, give love, receive love. Never give up. Yeah, of course, like I said, I had seen the card from this deck that said nothing is set in stone yet. Okay, by the way, I just picked up this card and again it is talking about balance, spirituality and practicality. Now I think I've said that enough time in this reading, guys. So anyway, never give up is one message for you guys, to whoever it applies. What is this? We are all mad here, of course. Have light time, have light moments. Do not be too serious about life. Star again. Okay, you had star in your tarot also. So definitely it's time for healing for some of you guys, emotionally, physically, mentally. However, whichever way it applies to you, especially since there was death also in this reading. So some endings, some closures could bring a lot of heartache for you guys. Make sure you take enough time to heal from it. Okay, yeah, and even if it is physically, take enough rest if you need it. Namaste charm tells me about bowing to someone, because namaste word, the namaste act in Indian, this thing is about bowing down to someone. Okay, wherein we say that I give away my ego and I honor you. I honor yourself. I honor your presence, or your. I value your presence in my life. Okay, if that's what is of any significance to anyone. One conception and make yourself another. Give you one conception and make yourself another. I don't know what this means. I'm going to ignore that. A letter, initial S, if whatever it means to you guys. There are a couple of other initials, H and what, V. Okay, V is for Vrishali, by the way. Okay, so there are three initials that have come up over here, S, H and V. You might be dealing with people with these initials. Okay, or these initials might hold some significance to you guys. Okay, you know better. Yeah, S, H and V. Yeah. Oh, okay, there's another one. There is A as well. I did not see that it had fallen over there. A. So there are 4 letters that have come up over here. S, H, V and A. If at all this means anything to any of you guys. Okay. So Libras, I leave it at that. If any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, drop comments, share your experiences. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. I'll see you next year rather. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.